Hi guys, Nick is here from Space. Welcome to our video series for implementation of SketchUp in architectural design workflow. Hopefully, during this time you'll enjoy at the first place, you'll learn something, and you will find the way how SketchUp could improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. But let's stop talking and go ahead to see the topic today. Now it's time for rendering. So with other words, we have finished our project, our modeling stage of our building with all the building elements such as the terrain, contour lines, the urban plan, and all the floors, building walls, external and internal ones. We have created some furniture, lighting fixture, and so on. Next, we have produced some project drawings for each level of our building, as well a section of the building and some 3D representation of our project drawings, as well a site location. So now it's time to go ahead and to create some project visualization in order to have a better representation of our building project in front of the client. So there are two types of project visualization. Let's say this is in general. We have outside pictures of our building, and we have to create some interior pictures. So they are exterior rendering and interior rendering. So before to go ahead and to start creating this project visualization, we have to prepare somehow our model. So in order to do that, we have project browser. I will check if everything is unhidden that we will need after. So I will go folder by folder and I will check if everything is unhidden, and as you can see, we can see everything actually. I will don't go to unhide our project base folder because there information, some base information that help us to create this model, but now for the project visualization actually we don't need this information. So here in our project browser everything looks good, and now I have to go to window menu here in the main menu bar and into the model info, and here you have actually place called statistic, and from here you can purge unused elements that we have import into your SketchUp file during the time of your modeling. So actually that means that you will delete all these unnecessary elements into your project. So click over the button purge unused. It will take a little time in order to delete actually everything that you not needed. Then close this window, and now actually I'm going to save our model, and we are ready to continue ahead and to start our project visualization. So I will start from exterior rendering, and I will do that in the software called Twinmotion. So we are ready for now, and we can go ahead to the next stage of our project. See you there.